What if I told you there's a one-way ticket to millionaire status, powered by AI, not VC funds or elite engineers? In the next few minutes, you'll see 7 high-speed AI businesses that anyone can launch and scale in 2025, before the window slams shut. The harsh reality is that it is too late to beat NVIDIA or create the next ChatGPT. That is the realm of billionaires. However, these 7 AI hustles, they're profitable, lean, and incredibly scalable. Millionaires are currently being created in idea number 7. Most websites lose visitors because they cannot scale backlinks. AI is capable. Use tools to locate sites that link to your competitors, and then use ChatGPT to create personalized outreach. Offer this as a premium SEO service that outperforms established agencies. Platforms such as Salesforce Agentforce enable AI agents to be plug-and-play. Businesses require specialized configurations and ongoing optimization. You offer the build and oversight, and you charge periodic retainers. Insiders are making a lot of money here. Pure AI content flops, but AI plus human polish? This is how you'll conquer Google. Use AI for outlines and drafts, then layer in human authority to increase traffic by 5-fold. Sell it as a hybrid service to companies looking for expansion. Most businesses don't know how to acquire good outcomes with Canva Magic Design or Midjourney. You become the strategist who creates compelling prompts and eye-catching images. Faster and cheaper than typical design studios. High profit, low barrier. AI VAs can replace administrative staff, but they still require human oversight. Give businesses a setup and oversight bundle. They save thousands on wages, and you make a consistent monthly income. Although AI can create posts, subtitles, and videos, it is unaware of current platform trends. Combine AI techniques and trend research to create viral-ready content. This agency model scales quickly, and clients will stay when they see steady growth. Most organizations believe that chatbots are set it and forget it. Wrong. That's when sales plummet. Provide comprehensive chatbot setup, training, and upsell optimization for platforms such as Ada and Intercom. Convert broken support systems into revenue generators. That is millionaire territory. You've just seen 7 AI businesses that are lean, future-proof, and have a realistic path to millionaire status by 2025. But ideas do not pay. Implementation does. Choose one, commit, and catch the AI wave before it passes. Subscribe now, and we'll work together to develop your future riches.